Hello, friends and fans. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We decided to do subscriptions on YouTube because someone asked. It's simple as that. We have a Patreon that you can also be a part of, fun and giveaways and all this stuff. But someone specifically said, hey, please turn this on because I'd like to be a member. So for you and everyone else, we decided to do that. What's super cool about it? Well, first of all, there's a button that you can push. I have no idea where it is. It's there somewhere, that you can join. You can still comment and chat with us, and we will still acknowledge super chats and all that stuff. None of that changes. But for anybody that is a subscriber on YouTube and also a member, you get to use these little emotes, and then you get these little badges after you've been a member for a month, 2 months, 3 months. There's like different badges for each month. So it's just kind of fun. We also obviously will give like a little more preference to read comments and things from those members. You'll have your little badge next to you, but the emotes really, they're super fun. It's a lot like Twitch. You get the same emotes that we only have for our channel, which is really, really cool. As you can tell, Eric's not here. He's on tour, so it's just me right now, but he will be posting content as well. We love you guys. Thank you for being here. You're the best. Bye.